Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Millennial Investor 1914. Holla at your boy. Yes, I took the covering off of my mic, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I've been wanting my videos to be a lot more louder, a lot more crispier, just for the user experience. But we're not going to waste time today. The last time you looked at my video, and I was going through my portfolio and my investing journey, what was I doing? My portfolio was at roughly $80,000, 82, and boom, look, as of the end of June, going into July, I am at $87,000. I wanted to go through my journey real quick, and I proposed a question on my page, and so hopefully you guys hop on my page and answer my question. Do you guys think I'm going to hit the 100K mark for this portfolio this year in 2025? It's 6 months left in this month, and I'm doing my hardest due diligence to invest roughly $1,200 a month into this portfolio. This portfolio is up 9.22% right now, and with that, this is calculating when the market went down in April and me investing all at the bottom, and as it been rising to the top. So basically, I would say my portfolio is really up 18% because when it went down 7%, imagine it had to go up a 7%, and then to go to break past that to get into a positive. So really, I'm really up like 17% because the market went down. Another thing another perspective I wanted to go over is exactly 1 year ago, June 27th, 2024, my portfolio was at 59,000, and I'm currently at 87,000. The second thing I wanted to show you. My portfolio is up 7.51% in a month. Year to date, 9.22%. Has a 1 year annual performance of 25.70, and my portfolio has a 75.44% annual return in the last 3 years. If you do the numbers, go ahead and do the numbers. That is what 25% per year. 25, 50, 75. Rule of 72. The rule of 72 states really how long a particular investment will double. With this right here, it has shown that with me consistently investing, the certain investments that I've invested into, and just my consistency and persistence, my portfolio doubled in 3 years. That's statistics and word to yo mama. Ha ha. I wanted to go over. This is my June video. I wanted to show how much I made in regards to dividends for the month of June. What you see here is that I actually have several new updates to my portfolio that if you've been paying attention or if you're following, that I've been really going heavily in my portfolio. In my top five, I'm trying to make Broadcom, which you see is at almost close to 17,000. Microsoft, Meta, those are my top three. Right. My fourth go-to stock is going to be Fix. Comfort Systems is a HVAC company, really big, and a dividend play, really big, and is backlog of just companies for their HVAC and their heating and their cooling solutions for data centers. Really, really big company for me. I have VOOV, the S&P 500 that I rock with as my foundation. Because no matter what you do, you look at statistics, you cannot out duel the S&P 500. Some people can, but as a whole, a lot of people can't. And I want to say My last company that my top 5 that I'm going to get up, that I'm going to rock with, is CrowdStrike. I really believe into cybersecurity, and with cybersecurity on the rise with IT movement, this AI boom, it's going to be very imperative to protect your data, protect your company's data, or just your data yourself. That when you are dealing with these high tech, expensive AI plays, and so Fortinet, well, CrowdStrike, Cloudflare, and remember Zscaler. These are all awesome, great, awesome stocks to have. And then also outside of my top 5, I'm going to rock with Palantir. I believe in the next 10 to 15 years, these are stocks that's going to help propel my portfolio to past my 6 digits and hopefully into my 7-digit portfolio, as my aspirations for me to be a millionaire by a millionaire, and for me to retire by age 50. Hopefully that I'm a millionaire and I am able to retire by age 50. I'm going to sell my house, and definitely going to be traveling, going to be just moving around, and this is the plan. This is the plan. Uh, at below, you'll see I have some small plays that I'm going to just develop, as in, I have Google, Nvidia, Oracle, and ARM holdings. These are going to be just like my secondary plays to help uh, uplift my five major plays. And and in the behind the scenes, I have my dividend stock plays. My Kroger is my defensive play, more for balance. You see, I have American Express, Goldman Sachs. Those are for the financial space, but also the dividend play, high dividend increases. You have my SCHD, just for the balance, the backbone of my portfolio. So if I ever encounter any type of recession or a big market crash, all of my tech stocks will crash, but SCHD is going to balance it out and not crash as hard. I have Aflac, which is a insurance company, and they're just printing money. It's insurance. It's printing money. They bet on people's deaths, and the moat. It's crazy, it's stupid. And moving to showed you guys that I'm at 80. My portfolio right now is at 87,500. I proposed the question: do you guys think I'm going to hit 100K this year, 2025? As for my dividend income that I received for the month of June of 2025, I received $204. It's rounded up to $205. In the beginning of the month, I received $19.25 from Aflac, $32.85 from Kroger. Kroger just increased its dividend, and so my next dividend in September, instead of $32, I'm going to receive $35. Exciting. Also in September, Microsoft is going to increase their dividend as well. So I foresee that Microsoft probably do it another 10%, because they tend to increase their dividend 10% per year. So I'm crossing my fingers. In September, this is going to grow from $22 a quarter to $25 a quarter. So mark that, save that, and we shall see. I plan on receiving $11 from VU in the next couple of days. I received $15 from Goldman Sachs a couple of days ago. I also received the dividend from Google of $3.09 and Booking Holdings of $9.09. And with this stock, with this dividend of Booking Holdings, this stock costs roughly $5,600, and I'm currently at $5,000 right now. So all I really need is really like a good push of $400 into the stock to have a full share of Booking Holdings. It's crazy, right? Here's my portfolio on dividend data. Just hindsight view, where again the portfolio is roughly 87,500. I've personally invested $62,000 and $144 out of my pocket, and over let's say the past 5 to 7 years, this is a total return of 40.68% with a unrealized gain of $25,000. Crazy, right? I've invested personally $62,000. My portfolio has hit an increased gain of $25,000, which it's amazing, right? And again, time in the market beats time in the market. If you look at a lot of my old videos, you see that I was at 45,000, and I recorded I was at 55,000, 65,000. Man, when I was in 70,000, I was like, I didn't think I was gonna make it. And what some plays that I did, Broadcom, like really can say is Broadcom, Meta, and fixed comfort systems that have really just held my portfolio down. It has really anchored my portfolio. It has really been helped me propel my portfolio to that 100K. And I hope I get my portfolio to 100K this year, because then I really would, uh, I really would take that as a win. And if I do, I'm definitely going to drop everything. I'm going to celebrate and either take myself and go to Bali, or spend some more time in South Korea. So we shall see. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.